Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. This is traffic and transportation rules video. These are all objective questions only, and this is set number 6. This is set number 6. Already I uploaded 5 sets, and before some more videos. This sets is useful for LDCE, GDCE departmental exam. For example, AOM exam, SM exam, guard exam, section controller exam, and various other traffic related exam. So my today first question is related to the non-interlocked working, NI working. So no NI, non-interlocked working should last for more than dash days. So the correct answer is 14 days. More than the 14 days, NI work should not be proposed. Maximum up to 14 days that NI work should be complete. So the maximum limit is within the 14 days. Next question. Overall in charge for non-interlocked working will be dash as the case may be for both safety and operations. So the correct answer is senior DOM or DOM. Overall in charge for NI working for both safety and operation related is senior DOM or DOM. Next question. The adequate distance in single line automatic area is dash meters. Adequate distance means suppose one automatic signal and after that next is automatic signal. So the adequate distance from this signal to next is beyond that 180 meter. So in single line automatic area, the adequate distance is 180 meter. Next question. The aspect of automatic signals is controlled by. The aspects of automatics. Once one train once passed, then automatic signal become caution, attention, or proceeds. So it's controlled by the movement of train. It controlled by the movement of train. Next question. In rear of D class station, dashboard is provided. This is for information to the LP that you are approaching any D class station. So what board is provided? That is station warning board. Means whenever the station warning board visible by the LP, they can understand that any D class station they are approaching. D class station, for a station, that is a station warning board. Next question. Distance between BSLB, block section limit board, and first stop signal FSS shall not be less than dash meter. Distance between block section limit board and first stop signal shall not be less than, that correct answer is 180 meter. That is for block overlap. For block overlap, just as a block overlap, 180 meters should distance be there. Next question. When a new signal post is erected, caution orders shall be issued for dash days to all the LPs. If any new signal erected, so LP should issue caution order for 90 days. Please note, zonal wise it may be vary, but most of the zones they are giving 90 days only. So kindly go with your own subsidiary rules and verify whether the correct answer is 90 days. Somewhere it may be 30 days, somewhere it may be 10 days. So most of the zones they are following 90 days now. Next question. Maximum life of detonator manufactured in 2010 or later is, the correct answer is 8 years. 5 years normal life plus 3 years extended life. So the total will be 8 years. So a detonator manufactured in 2010 or beyond that, the maximum life will be 5 plus 3, that is 8. Normal 5, maximum plus 3, that is 8. Next question. Calling on signal shall not be provided below dash signal. Calling on signal is a subsidiary signal. It should not be provided below. The correct answer is last stop signal. Below first stop signal it may be provided, below starter it may be provided, but below last stop signal it cannot be provided. Next question. Maximum dash number of corrections are allowed to the station working rules, SWR. Maximum dash number of corrections are allowed. The correct answer is 5. Beyond 5 means the SWR should be revised. So the maximum 5 corrections are allowed in station working rules without any changes. Next question. Dash chapter of GRS contains maximum number of rules. GRS having 18 chapters, so the maximum rules available in chapter number 3, which is related to the signals. It has total, if you are counting as number wise, it has total 85 rules. Up to 3.85 it is available. So the maximum numbers is of rules available in chapter 3 of our GRS or general rules. Next question. Line block order is issued by whom? Line block order is issued by DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. Line block orders is issued by DRM. Next question. Maximum speed of trains at a station interlocked with standard 3R, R means revised, is dash kmph. So the correct answer is 140 km per hour. The maximum speed of trains allowed in standard 3R. There are 4 standard. So standard 3R 140, standard 4R that is 160 kmph. Next question. Class A station will have only dash signaling. Class A station will have only dash signaling. The correct answer is 2 aspect signals only available at Class A station. 2 aspect signals only. Next question. Accident manual is an example of for dash instructions. Accident manual, all journals they are publishing their accident manual. So accident manual is a special instruction. Accident manual is an example of a special instruction. Next question. A station limits is situated between dash signals of the stations. We should understand that a station limit is another thing, station section is another thing. So a station limit is available between 2 outermost signal. That is not 2 outermost stop signal, but any 2 outermost signal. So please note here, don't confuse yourself. Station limit is different thing, station section is different thing. Next question. Working timetable is an example for dash instruction. WTT, all divisions they are publishing their working timetable yearly. So this is also a special instructions only. WTT is also a special instructions. So all divisions having their own WTT. Next question. Maximum speed during shunting is. Maximum speed during shunting is dash kilometer per hour. So maximum speed during shunting is 15 kilometer per hour. That is engine shunting. In engine shunting, the maximum speed should be 15 kilometer per hour. Next question. Paper line clear ticket. Normally we are saying PLCT. Paper line clear ticket for up direction is issued in form number. For up direction one form number is there, for turn direction second another form number is there. So for up direction that is T bar C 1425. For up direction T bar C 1425 PLCT number. Next question. During foggy weather, in automatic area, if the automatic signal is showing attention, means to yellow, LP shall proceed at dash speed up to the next automatic signal. So if it is proceed, he can run maximum as absolute, that is 60 kmph. If it is attention, so 60 by 2 means 30 kmph. So the maximum speed he should run, that is 30 kmph. Thanks for watching my video, friends. If collection of questions is good, then kindly subscribe my channel, click on bell icon, and also click on notifications, so that as soon as I upload any videos, you are able to